Hi, this is Lara at Elliott Forex with a free daily US dollar index analysis for you for the New York trading session dated Thursday, the 19th of August. Just a real quick look at an historical chart. We'll go back to 1985 today. We had a 5 waves down at cycle degree followed by a 3 wave structure up for a cycle degree wave A, which ended in 2001. When A subdivides into a 3 wave structure in the start of a correction, you're looking at either a triangle or a flat. In this case, it's probably a flat correction, and thereafter we had a cycle degree wave B that ended beyond the end of A, therefore it's an expanded flat correction, most likely. It could be a running flat, but that's extremely rare. Thereafter, we're going to have a 5 wave structure to the upside for a cycle degree wave C. A likely target for the end to the cycle degree wave C could be about 141.08. and that's where wave C will reach 1.618, the length of this wave A, which is a really common relationship between the two for an expanded flat correction. So far, looking at what's unfolding for this C wave, because this first wave subdivided into a 5 wave structure, we're looking at a simple impulse for wave C. The only other possibility for a C wave is an ending diagonal, which requires all subwaves to subdivide into zigzags, and this first one was a 5 wave impulse, therefore we're looking at a simple impulse for this whole 5 wave structure up. We're going to have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taking you now to a daily chart just for the last year, with this maroon 2 down here is this maroon 2 down here. And here's our 5 wave structure up for intermediate wave 1, ABC zigzag down for intermediate wave 2. We're working on intermediate wave 3 to the upside now. We've had our first little minute degree wave, and wave 2 pink has ended just down here, and now we're working on wave 3 pink to the upside. Since I did this chart, we've had some pretty good strong upwards movement beyond this high here labelled 1 pink. Therefore 1 pink and 2 pink are both over, and we're on 3 pink to the upside. We should not expect on the daily chart any movement below 74.18. I'm going to move that invalidation point up very soon and put it up here pretty soon. Taking you now to the hourly chart, where this pink one is this pink one up here, and here's our first wave up within at minute degree within intermediate wave 2. This is a really nice 5 wave structure meeting all the rules and guidelines of Elliott wave and beautifully contained in a little parallel trend channel. Thereafter, simple little ABC zigzag down for intermediate for minute or pink wave 2. That has failed to even reach the 0.382 Fibonacci ratio for this wave 1 pink. This is a remarkably shallow correction for a second wave, but then this is all within a 3rd wave at intermediate degree. We may expect corrections to be briefer and shallower than normal. Thereafter, we're working on a 1, 2, and we've just started 3 to the upside. Within that 3, we've got 1, 2, and just starting the 3rd piece. Then we'll have a 4 and a 5 probably in this New York trading session. My target to the upside, 83.28, is where wave 3 orange will reach 1.618, the length of this wave 1 orange. So I expect that target may very well be reached in this Friday trading session, and thereafter we will have a correction to the downside for a 4th wave that at that stage cannot move into wave 1 price territory, which is below 82.71. At that stage, if you're trading to the upside, I'm going to be trading to the upside, and I'm going to move my stop just a couple of pips below this point here. At the moment, my invalidation point has to stay down here, 81.92, but I'm going to move that up to this point fairly soon. So a briefer analysis of the dollar than usual, but we've got some pretty volatile movement to the upside on the dollar in this New York trading session. And it's a 3rd wave, and that usually offers the best trading opportunity. So good luck out there, everyone.